Select the company you would like to add in the quotation entries and its report. Click Entries. There will be few subtabs underneath Sales Department. Then, click on Generate Quotation. Click on the customer name drop-down and select the company that you would want to send the quotation to. Next, select the date to issue the quotation, followed by the payment terms, and the validity. Scroll down, and click on the drop-down under the product description column. Select the item that needs to be quoted and followed by the remarks. As for the units, one can add in the number of units wanted, whereas the price varies according to the unit wanted automatically, and add in any discount if there is any. Click on the green Add button. The amount will be automatically calculated according to the discount and unit. Add in remarks, if there's any comments attached to the quotation, and check the Show Total checkbox. Click on Print Preview, where it saves before it previews the quotation. Click on the Print/Email if you wish to print the popped-up quotation. To look into the quotation report, click Reports. There will be few subtabs underneath Sales Report. Click on Quotation Reports. To search the quotation reports, you can search by quotation number, customer name, salesperson, dates, or by just clicking Search Quotation. You can view all the quotation underneath it. You can click on the Printer button to print by previewing it first. Click the red X button to delete the quotation. These are the steps as illustrated. Thank you for watching.